Taipei, the capital of the Republic of China, not to be confused with the People's Republic of China next door. Under looming threat of invasion, is Taipei a safe place to visit? If it is safe, is it even worth visiting? Let's find out. Welcome to Taipei. It's about 5 a.m. at our hotel here in Taipei, and we're about to head off to our first of many stops here in the city to gather as much as we can and give you our first honest impressions of what Taipei has to offer and if it's worth visiting.
Now, let's go catch a sunrise.
That was beautiful.
That was gorgeous.
Oh my goodness, they're one of the most picturesque places I've ever been.
Yeah, I'm so glad we started here at the Liberty Square, which is a free place to come, and it's surrounded by these landmarks and national buildings.
Very peaceful, and if you do plan on visiting, definitely come for sunrise because there's so few people.
Yeah.
It's unbelievable. You guys saw it, but it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
And one thing that was actually surprised us already is even here at like 5:30 a.m., there are people on bikes, running and jogging all around. We want to be honest here.
Yeah.
We thought it was going to be a little bit dirty. I don't know why. Maybe that connotation of China, not that that's a right connotation to have, but thought it'd be more polluted, more dirty, but it's so clean.
The roads are clean too. Like there's a car that comes by very early cleaning everything. So very impressed so far.
And we had a long conversation with a local named Tom here, who's an older guy who actually flew military planes for China, both here in Taiwan and China and the United States. He went all around the world. And he told us the #1 place for Taiwanese breakfast in Taipei is literally like a few-minute walk away. Or we think so because he didn't actually give us the name of the restaurant.
Yeah, he kind of gave instructions and find a school and turn to this alley.
Yeah, like just these general instructions. Like go over here and then go down the alley and then you'll see a street, then you go left. And then, so based on his directions, we wrote it down and we're gonna try to find it. So Tom, if you're watching this, we appreciate it. Hopefully we can find it because we're hungry. So let's have some Taiwanese breakfast. And this is the alley that Tom told us about, so it looks like we're getting close. And there it is, I think.
So we didn't really know what to get, so we decided to get a little bit of everything to try. We got this wrap over here. I don't really know what's inside aside from egg. I don't even know if it's sweet or savory. There's also this dumpling with a mystery filling, this soup, and a little bread with sesame seeds, and of course, some dips. Let's see how it tastes. Well, sweet, savory, but I think you're supposed to eat with some dips, I think, because it is a little bit plain taste, but very good, and you can taste the oil.
And when in Asia, you know we gotta have soup for breakfast. So, like I said, we don't know what it is. It looks like there's some pieces of bread, some green onion, and I think egg white. So, yeah, let's give it a try. Try to get all that goodness in there. Ooh. Oh, that's good. Oh. Warm, very hearty. That's a good breakfast soup. That's a great breakfast soup. I don't know what to do. I don't even know how to eat this. Look at the size of this. Oh my gosh, it's like the size of my face. All right, I didn't even get any, so okay, I'm just gonna eat it. Very good. Really, just tastes like a pork dumpling. Really, really good. Obviously goes really well with the soy sauce, so like, yeah, just a giant pork dumpling. at the Grand Hotel of Taipei, and have to say it is absolutely grand.
Yeah, this hotel has hosted a lot of famous people, specifically political people.
And us.
And us, of course. And another fun fact is that it actually has some secret tunnels, and there are many legends about these tunnels, but they claim that it's for security purposes, like escape route.
Yeah, but likely they all just lead to the Denver airport. Absolutely loving Taipei so far, but we got more to see, so let's go. This guy is the reason that we're here. Their good friend Tyler,
what's up?
I met in Vegas at a conference. What's crazy is at our hotel, like we're like, hey guys, where are you guys staying? I was like, oh, we're at this hotel, whatever. He's like, I'm literally like right down the street from you guys.
Yeah, he lives
which is
across
nuts.
the street.
So we decided to kind of,
fate.
yeah, it's crazy. So it's meant to be. Tyler's originally, of course, American, fellow Ohioan, living here in Taipei. And what we have here,
It's
Hongyobing.
hold on.
yeah, I'm not even gonna try.
Scallion pancakes.
It has some goodies inside. I have no idea what
Little
it is.
egg, little cheese, little basil leaf, some hot
Nice.
sauce.
That sounds good.
All right.
That sounds
Enjoy.
really good. All right.
Do I go first?
You're
Okay.
first.
There you go.
Give your reaction.
Well done. Cody's gonna get messy.
Oh yeah.
So good. Oh my gosh. Here you go. It's so good. What is this? You better describe than I am. I cannot describe these dishes.
Dude, that's Gordon
That's
Ramsay.
good.
Yeah, it's good. That's all you need to say. It's good.
Yeah.
I love the cheese, the hot sauce, the basil.
It was 50 Taiwan dollars. So what is that? $1.10.
Okay,
Oh,
$1.10 for this,
Yeah.
which,
Worth
as you've
it.
seen in Taipei, like, yeah,
Nice.
you get a lot of bang for your buck. So
Yeah.
recommend.
Try it.
And for dessert, we're actually here trying Tyler's favorite Taiwanese dessert, which is doha, which is, well, we're gonna see what it
Some
is,
sort
but
of sweet soup.
okay, so here it is.
We would not know how to prepare this.
Yeah, we would have no idea.
Okay, dig in.
All right,
All right.
Allie. All right, Allie, you're going first.
Why?
So get a little bit of topping, get a little bit of,
okay,
of the
okay,
tofu
okay.
in there.
All right. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little bit scared.
Yeah, it's a
Don't
very
be
scary.
offended if I don't like it. Okay.
I won't be.
I almost because it's a soup.
Here comes a weird reaction face.
I don't know what to feel about it. It's not bad.
But it's also not good.
It does not satisfy my dessert cravings.
Yeah, it's not as sweet, right?
But it's
more
it's
mild.
so interesting. I definitely taste peanuts. There's peanuts. I don't know. Interesting. You try. It's your kind of dessert.
That is very interesting.
That's all he has to say.
I don't know what to compare that to. I don't.
How do you explain?
How do you explain it? It's
You
like
explain.
You're right,
Go.
it is good.
Why is this your favorite dessert?
because it's not very heavy, it's very fresh, and afterwards I don't feel like a glut. I feel like I'm still kind of healthy even though I just ate a whole bowl of dessert that's sweet. So you know?
That's true.
Okay,
I can see that.
that's
It is definitely is less sweet. That's the one thing. But
Yes.
no, I agree though. It is good, and it is.
it has some nutritional value to it, right? It's
Yeah.
not like eating a piece of cake.
Thumbs up. Tyler has been a huge help. Without him, we wouldn't be able to come to Taipei. So we really wanted to express our true appreciation. So we gave him a special gift. This incomplete set of Alex.
The keyword is incomplete.
Am I on the naughty list or something? What is
Yeah.
this?
Yes.
Coal in the stocking. I'd rather have coal. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm honored.
Oh,
I'm honored.
wow.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. We're leaving the Martyrs Shrine right now, and man, it's so beautiful here. It's so peaceful.
Oh my gosh, one of the most peaceful places I've been to.
Yes.
Really impressive.
Yeah, and this place is dedicated to 390,000 fallen from the wars of the Republic of China, both military and civilian. Every hour they have the changing of the guard ceremony, which we were able to catch as soon as we arrived, even though I had to rush.
Super impressive. It reminded me of the Marines at the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier. So really
yeah.
cool.
Yeah, and they're actually right behind us right now because we've been here.
We're literally, if you can see in the background, we're actually kind of running from them. They're going a little
Yes.
bit slower than us, but like, yeah. So we
Yeah,
gotta.
but it's really cool, like very unique ceremony. I definitely recommend it.
And there's like nobody here, which is crazy. I don't know if that's because it's like a couple days before Christmas
Yeah.
or what, but
I know.
Wow, it is so nice. It's
it
crazy.
is so nice, and it's the winter, and it's actually pretty warm and sunny
Yeah, it's
too.
almost 70 degrees Fahrenheit.
It's free to enter, but now we're headed to a place a little bit higher.
Let's catch a sunset. As soon as we saw you guys over here, we're like, okay, we gotta try it, so.
This means you want one, and if you go down, it means you two.
Ah, okay, so this is one. Nice. Fluent.
So our food has arrived, and we have our first dish, which is beef peppercorn. It looks and smells so good, so I have high hopes. Let's go. I'm just digging in to some of these onions. Well, I'm gonna try to get some of the onions and that beef. Very good. Super peppery, like a lot of pepper, and I love pepper, so I give it a 10 out of 10. That's amazing. I'm also super hungry right now, but really good food.
Now I'm gonna try the beef sirloin. And it comes with sides of bean sprouts, cabbage, and rice. So I made a little mix up over here. Let's see. Oh my gosh, so good. But it's spicy. Whew. It's spicier than I expected, but the seasoning is amazing. Love it. I'm gonna devour this, and for everything that we ordered here tonight, including the beer, $11.40 USD. So pretty good in my opinion.
Man, what an amazing city and amazing first day in this city.
Yes.
Taipei is awesome, hands down,
Yes.
in terms of kind of like the cost of living, at least in terms of like hotels and the food that we ate. Gorgeous,
So
modern,
beautiful.
and like traditional architecture, and
Yeah.
a lot of nature kind of incorporated. The
Yes.
weather is great.
The people are so nice.
Super
Everyone
nice,
we
surprising.
met. Yes.
Yeah, absolutely. So like on every kind of metric, they score super well in my
Yes.
book. So yeah, man, if you're considering coming to Taipei, definitely add it. And
Yeah.
I'm super excited to see even more of the city.
Yes, and actually the city also reminded us of a few parts of the US, even Brazil. So it was really fun mix.
Yes.
Like it's a very unique city. Super excited.
For sure. And if you like this adventure, then you'll love this adventure on the east side of Taipei, exploring a little bit of a different side. So as always, thanks so much for watching. God bless. I look forward to seeing you on the next adventure.